Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to fix the DaVinci Resolve error. GPU initialization failed. Could not initialize OpenGL. This usually happens when DaVinci Resolve can't communicate with your graphics card. But don't panic. Let's solve it. So guys, for the first step, head over to the Windows search bar and type Graphics Settings. Click on it. Once you're here, under Add an App, make sure Desktop App is selected, then click Browse. Now navigate to your DaVinci Resolve installation folder. For me, it's C, Program Files, Blackmagic Design, DaVinci Resolve. Find the Resolve.exe file and double-click it. It will now appear in the list. Click on Options, set it to High Performance, and click Save. For the second step, go to the search bar again and type Device Manager. Click on it. Now expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Make sure it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed. Also, make sure your DaVinci Resolve is updated to the latest version. Once you've completed all the steps in this video, simply restart your computer. And that's it. Your DaVinci Resolve should now run smoothly without any GPU or OpenGL errors. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment what tutorial you want next.